This is the beginning of the 5th annual 4th of July blowout. We have a new sponsor this year. His name is Ronnie. MJMR Incorporated. Here are the key personnel to this event. Very American.
Yeah!
My dad is pretty cool. We just found 4 cases out of his head.
This is where he lives.
$5.
The video game, it's for sale.
Oh yeah?
$100.
I'm just kind of paranoid about my mom.
Here's where the entourage would be coming down the street. And that's where we'll be going. And we have Andy Collins. Everyone knows Andy from last year. He almost missed this event, but he was hijacked from the Adirondack Mountains in a quick rescue mission. Andy, how do you feel about being here today?
It looks like we've descended upon a placid town. The beginnings of the great adventure.
Yeah.
You hear the music in the background echoing through the streets, and old ladies and old men staring out and wondering what is really going to happen here. And we know from past experience what is going to happen here. It's going to be destruction, rampant and total degradation of the environment. We're going to completely blow up this place. We're going to tear Rockaway into millions and tons of pieces. It's going to explode in fathomless, bottomless pits of black smoke. There's going to be fireworks everywhere, explosions. Mike is going to be pounding beer. Everybody is going to be fucking totally going off. That's what's going to happen.
That's an interesting review.
Thank God that we were able to kidnap that motherfucker, because it wouldn't be the same without him. It would not be the same.
Catapulted out of the woods.
I'm glad I didn't have to drive, but at least someone had to drive.
Go the last hour run real quick.
The last hour.
Like you were getting pumped?
Yeah, this looks cool. Here they come. Local saviors. Hey, where can I get a camera like that?
A little bit better, but my asshole still hurts.
Say hi, Ed. Look at the camera. Look. Hey, what's going on? That's Anthony. What's your name? Don't be afraid. Say hi, Anthony. Is this your first party? It's your first party, right? Huh?
You get a big dog.
Don't worry, Anthony. You'll be safe. It's a great show.
How did you like the wig?
Oh, it's great.
But you notice the thing it said on?
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh,
With the face.
the
You
Bud
could even
label.
do a lot with the face.
This is the famous Budweiser beer. We know of no other beer manufactured. I forgot the.
This whole party is managed and operated by Stella here.
That's right, Grammy
juvenile
Stella.
delinquent at heart. Right, this is all her doing.
Is it true, ma'am, that you should keep the fireworks?
The green light's on, it's shooting?
But
The green light's on, it's shooting?
yeah, there's a little arrow up on top. It's like pointing right.
I can't see the arrow.
Point to something black. Like his jacket. His jacket. Or my vest. You see the arrow?
Okay, it points right? Right. Back again, 4th of July. Here's the Long Beach Police Department wandering by, not knowing what's going on.
They don't have the firepower.
About 20 bikers in pink t-shirts. There they go, driving off. They're very confused. They have no conception of what to do here. They're thinking about calling in the backups, and it's hopeless situation. Oh. This one's tough to operate. It's like you don't have as much field of view on this one.
The viewfinder is fucked up.
Yeah. The Mike Mansion there in the background, beginning to bark from Long Beach.
Mansion.
Mike Mansion.
It's a great Gatsby.
The condos across the way, they'll probably be exploded in a few years. Party rapidly expands in size. It's gonna be a beautiful day. The sun's not out, but it doesn't really make a difference.
We'll make our own artificial sun.
Gonna make artificial light here on the 4th of July.
Right here.
There's the face. The face of 4th of July. Ready for the beginning.
We have the kid. I want to fucking
That was really quick.
I can imagine. This is what they call it. A submarine.
You. This is videotape here.
Video wars.
That's right, video wars.
It's like
I'll fucking turn you upside down, you be all
No, no, no.
you all fucked up. You asked for it. You asked for it.
The men in blue.
But it's the auxiliary
for a
police.
Mikey.
Want a bumper ride? See where you like the car? Right? I got it. No, this one they had water bumper cars. Right? It's the only water ride they had. So. Yeah, but you have to be at a certain one.
Get it, get it.
Big Mikey loading up the buns.
Well, I'd rather put everything with me and they shouldn't even ride. Whoever needs a ride. Go to Long Beach
Open
Road.
this door,
Not
Dave.
counting this like 3 lights. 1, 2, 3.
Max, can open this
Up
door.
to Park Avenue. Right. Ta-pa-ta-ta. What? All right.
Mike, are the buns fresh?
The buns are fresh, baby. Put this on the floor.
He didn't even like.
Put this in my garage.
Hello,
Just grab it. Put this in my garage.
Michael.